Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Wie geht's dir?
Mir geht's gut. Und dir?
Ja, mir geht's auch sehr schön. Bitte stellen Sie sich vor.
Ja, guten Abend. Mein Name ist Kunishkara. Ich bin in 7. Klasse in Rukmani Devi Schule. Mein Hobby ist Cricket spielen. Mein Hobby ist Cricket spielen. Ich bin 11 Jahre alt. Das ist alles über mich. Danke.
Hallo, guten Morgen. Mein Name ist Khushbu Lalwani und ihr seht Deutsche Freundschaft. My name is Khushbu Lalwani and you all are watching Deutsche Freundschaft. You must be wondering why that guy came who was introducing himself, because today in this lesson we'll be learning how we can introduce ourselves. So, in this video we'll be covering how one can introduce himself or herself in formal conversations and in informal conversations. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand everything in an organized manner. And also, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel Deutsche Freundschaft and press that bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates. So, fangen wir an! So, in this video, we'll be covering the 7 components of introduction that one should mention actually. And introduction is called as Vorstellung in German. And to introduce yourself is called sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen. Sich vorstellen. To introduce oneself. Now, these 7 components are Nummer 1, Name. That is of course mandatory. You have to tell your name. Nummer 2, dein Alter, your age. Nummer 3, Wohnort, the place of residence. Nummer 4, Land, the country you belong to. Nummer 5, deine Hobbys, your hobbies. What do you like to do? Nummer 6, die Sprachen. So the languages that you speak. Sprachen, languages. Sprachen, languages. Und Nummer 7, Beruf. Beruf is the profession you have. Like for example, you are doctor, you are engineer, you are teacher, or what are you by profession. So we'll be learning these 7 components, how we can explain that we are this, and how one can introduce oneself. So, fangen wir an. Name, that is your name. Now, there are 3 ways of saying what is your name. First, I would like to mention the vocabulary that will be used. One is Name, that means name, which we consider full name. It's by default considered, if I ask you what is your name, so of course you'll be telling me your complete name, that my name is this and your title name. So, for example, my name is Khushbu Lalwani. So, name means your complete name. Second, the vocabulary here used will be Vorname. Vorname. That means your first name. For means in front of. So, the first name that is used at the front. So, that means to introduce yourself, your first name. So, Vorname. Vorname. That is Khushbu in my case. In your case, it will be. So, Vorname. And then second, we have Nachname, जिसको हम familian नाम भी कहते हैं. Familian नाम oder Nachname. Familian नाम oder Nachname. That means your last name, your title. For example, if I am Lalwani, of course my father is Lalwani, my grandfather is Lalwani. So it is the title my whole family has. So that is why familian Name. So now if someone asks you, was ist dein Vorname? Then it is your first name. Was ist dein Nachname? That is your last name. And was ist dein Familienname? That is also your last name. What do you use as your title? So, I'll be telling you these 3 ways. The first way is heißen. The use of the verb heißen. You must be seeing this beta. It is not beta, it is pronounced as set. And it has a sound of doppel S. So yeah, heißen. 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 EI की pronunciation मैंने आपको last class में बताई थी. It is I. So heißen. Heißen. जिसका मतलब होता है to be called as. किस नाम से बुलाया जाता है. So for example, ich, that is I. Ich heiße and your name. So ich heiße and your name. So ich heiße Khushbu Lalwani. Ich heiße Khushbu Lalwani. that is often used in the formal conversations. In the interview part, you always use that heißen. So heißen. Ich heiße Khushbu Lalwani. Second way is the use of the verb sein, in which you say Ich bin Khushbu Lalwani. Ich bin Khushbu Lalwani. That means I am Khushbu Lalwani. Here it is a bit informal because you can say someone says and asks you, who are you? And you say, I am a girl. That is also obvious. And you say, I am Khushbu Lalwani. That is also obvious. Depends on you what you have in your mind. So it is considered as a bit informal. इसलिए interviews में it is not recommendable to use this. So Ich bin and then your name. So Ich bin, your name. And it's a bit informal, so you can use it with your colleagues, acquaintances, and anyone you want. Now, the third way is mein Name ist. Mein Name ist. Mein, that is my. Name is name. Ist is. Mein Name ist, and then your name. So, mein Name ist Khushbu Lalwani. Mein Name ist, and your name. Let me know in the comment section below what your name is in German. Now, mein Vorname ist Khushbu. Mein Vorname, first name. Mein Vorname ist Khushbu. Mein Nachname ist Lalwani. Often in the interviews or in the forms you fill for the German examinations or for the German universities, there is a different column for Vorname and there is a different column for Nachname. So mein Vorname ist und mein Nachname ist. So let me know your first name and the last name too. Now this was it. Let's see a quick recap here. Nummer 2. Alter. 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 Your age. How are you going to say I am this much years old? I am. I am. I am. Ich bin. I am. I am. Ich bin. So, we have learned that in the Name, right? So, ich bin and your age. So, ich bin 20, that is the age. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. If you are facing difficulty in saying the number in German, you can watch my video Die Zahlen in German language, which I'll share the link in the description below. So you can watch this video there. So, ich bin 20 Jahre alt. I am 20 years old. Jahre, years. Alt, old. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. I am 20 years old. You can also say Ich bin 20. I am 20. But don't use it in the formal conversations while you are giving an interview or something. So don't use that. While writing, don't use Ich bin 20. Instead, Ich bin the complete sentence. Ich bin this much years old. Ich bin this much Jahre alt. I am, let me know your age, the correct one, so that we can. So, ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Let's move to Nummer 3. Wohnort. Wohnort. That means the place of residence. Wohnort. Now, ich wohne. Ich, that means I. Ich wohne in and the place. Ich wohne in Neu Delhi. Ich wohne in Pune. Ich wohne in Lucknow. So, ich wohne in. Now, Nummer 4. Land. Land. It's not land, it's land because A is pronounced as A. So, land. Now, ich komme aus, which means I belong from or I belong to. For example, I am currently living in Germany, which is not true, just giving an example. So, I am currently living in Germany, but I belong from India. So, ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien. It's not India, it's Indien in German language. So, Indien. I-N-D-I-E-N. Indien. Ich komme aus in the end. Now, let's move to number 5. Hobbies. What are your hobbies? So, how are we going to say my hobbies are? So, there are two ways. One is that you have only one hobby. That is, my hobby is, for example, listening to music. Another one is, my hobbies are listening music and reading books. So, how are you going to say? One is the singular. Mein Hobby ist. Mein Hobby ist. Ist is used for is, that is singular. As in English, we say my hobby is playing cricket. So, mein Hobby ist cricket spielen. Spielen is to play. So, mein Hobby ist cricket spielen. I'll also share the link in the description below about what are the games in German called, like football, basketball and all these things. So you can check that in the description. Now, ich spiele cricket. That means mein Hobby ist cricket spielen. Now, what if there are 2 hobbies, 3 hobbies, basically more than one hobby? So we are going to say meine. Meine Hobbies. Spelling of hobbies, H-O-B-B-Y-S, hobbies. It is not H-O-B-B-I-E-S. I-E-S is falsch. You have to say hobbies, H-O-B-B-Y-S. Meine Hobbys sind. As in English, we say my hobbies are. So, meine Hobbys sind. And your hobbies. For example, cricket spielen, Musik hören, Bücher lesen. I'll share all that in the description. So don't worry, you'll get all my handout notes. You can see that in the description below. So please see the description. You'll get a lot of stuff. So, Nummer 6. Die Sprachen, the languages. That means the languages you speak. For example, ich spreche, that means I speak. Ich spreche Deutsch, that is German. So German को German में Deutsch बोलते हैं. जैसे English को हिंदी में अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं, वैसे ही German को German में Deutsch बोलते हैं और अंग्रेजी को अंग्रेजी में English बोलते हैं. Sounds confusing? Don't worry. Resume those 5 minutes and see that again. So, ich spreche. Ich spreche Deutsch, English und Hindi. I speak German, English and Hindi. Und, remember my Dietzahlen wala? So, ich spreche. I speak Deutsch. D-E-U-T-S-C-H. Deutsch. English. It's not English. English. E-N-G-L-I-S-C-H. Not S-H. S-C-H. So, ich spreche Deutsch, English und Hindi. So, was it clear? So, ich spreche and the languages you speak. Let me know in the comment section so that we can interact in either Hindi or English or German. Now, let's move to the last part, Nummer 7. Beruf. That is your profession. What are you by profession? For example, ich bin eine Lehrerin. I am a teacher. Ich bin was I am. So, ich bin eine. Eine is a, which is used for feminine, that we are going to learn in the next few lessons as you level up. So, ich bin eine Lehrerin. Lehrerin, that means female teacher. If you are watching this video and you are a male teacher, you will be using ich bin ein Lehrer. Lehrer. Lehrer, that means teacher, male teacher, and Lehrerin means female teacher. Oder ich bin ein Arzt. I am a doctor. Arzt. Arzt. Ich bin ein Arzt. That means I am a male doctor. Ich bin eine Ärztin. That means I am a female doctor. Don't worry, you'll see all the professions in my notes because I'm sharing a lot of things for you people. So please watch the description, and I'm repeating it again and again because you have to have a look at the description. Now, this was the end of our introduction. Don't worry, I have shared all the notes I have said in the description, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Deutsche Freundschaft and spread my word all over the world. I hope that you all are safe, happy and at home. Take care. Alvida, auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und ciao.